let's start working. I assume you already have installed Unity, so just start your Unity hub, press new project, and here you can choose 2D or 2D universal render pipeline. I got used to 2D, so I create my project here, and here I will create ProjectAstero. Here you can choose location of your game where you would like to create all the game files, and after that please just press create project. Okay, so now our project has been created and this is the starting window of our project. So what we are going to need is a graphic, and I will show you how to get a graphic for this project. For this game tutorial I will use graphic from KNN1 site. I will put the link into the description of this video. Of course you can get a different graphic if you would like to, but yeah, I'm showing you my source of the graphic for this project. So now if you will press just download, it starts downloading automatically, but you can of course donate Kenny for his great work. Okay, so as soon as you downloaded the graphic, you can just go to the folder and look for what is interesting you. So this is the Kenny simple space. So I will just go to PNG default, and here we can import all the graphics that interest us. Just to show you how to do it, you just need to open Unity, and the simplest way would be to let's create new folder. Let's call it assets from KNN1, yeah, just to give him some credits. Of course these assets are free, you can use them even for the commercial projects. And here you can just add this graphic to your game. You can just drag and drop it, and voila, it's imported. Now you just need to set up pixels per unit, etc. If you would like to, you can change all these settings, just check what they are doing, but since this is a single sprite, we do not have to do too much. Only what I like to do is just change filter mode to trilinear. And now when you have the graphics to use it, it's very simple. You have to just move the shape here. The shape has been created. And yeah, since it's so small, yeah, it looks better on here. This is the game view, this is the scene view. Scene view is for edit. So now our main camera is hiding our graphic, and here I will turn off camera for the moment, but I have it visible because my gizmos was on, sorry, so I will turn off the gizmos. Here you have small window or what main camera sees, if you click on main camera of course. But what I like to do is just to split my scene like that for the editing purpose, and keep main camera open, turn on sometimes gizmos to view the size of the view field. Okay, so the next setting we'll do, it's changed to orthographic. Okay, so our camera is okay, and now what we have to do is to check our build settings, and we are going to build our game for Windows, Mac and Linux. So it's okay. In case if you would like to build, for example, for PlayStation 5, etc., you can download extension from your Unity hub. In the installs you can change here the properties, add modules, etc. Yeah, so this will be available for you. But for example, if I would like to now to change to Android, I have to just press switch platform and I'm done. Okay, so here we are good. Okay, the next step I would like to do is to change our viewport, or what our camera is viewing, because I would like to make it more like ready for resolution of full HD resolution. So if we switch here on the game view, also our camera view will change, and this is how our game will look like. So this view is good for our current, let's say, standardized resolution for our PC games. Okay, so we are ready for the moment with setuping our project. Now I will remove this one, because in the next episode we'll create our player game object together with movement scripts. before we jump to our next video, I would like to just download, import all the remaining graphics to our game. So if I will just make it smaller, I will just pull in. Yeah, so everything was important in the same time. So now let's move to the next video when we'll create our player properly and we'll just add the movement script to our game objects.